Welcome back to another episode of Steve's Garage. Today we're going to be replacing the distributor, the ignition system on my 69 Mustang with a digital 6AL from MSD. Alright, so here's the setup the way that I have it. You got a digital 6AL, got a Ford FE distributor from MSD. Going to need to make some new distributor boots that are HEI style for this, and going to get it back together and on the road. Alright, so what I'm going to have to do, this needs to be relocated so that it's vertical. This is going to need to come out. I'm going to need to mark the location where the distributor is pointing so that when I get the next one in, it's pointing in the same direction. And I guess we can start taking it apart. So the main reason why I'm getting rid of this is if you look at Alright, so looking at the distributor, you can definitely see that there's been a lot of rubbing going on for a distributor that's set up with an optical sensor. Not a great idea to get a lot of dust on there. See it building up. Alright, so this is going to come out. The coil's going to come out. Alright, for our reference, I'm going to use number 1, pretty much straight on. So here. So I got 1 on the left side here, and I got the rotor going a little bit there to the water. Alright, so the distributors are out. Checking out, gears line up, O-rings line up. Looks like everything should go together well. Alright, now that I have the cap off, I'm going to install this O-ring gasket. Then I'm going to lubricate this here. So a lot of the supply grease. So it says liberally apply it. So I'm going to put plenty on. Alright, so it's in, we're checking it. It's pretty close. Let's see if I go one more. It ends up way too far off, so we'll go back a gear. This is where we'll end up, right there. Alright. So now we're going to take it and we're going to put these tabs on here so we can easily wire up using the spade connectors that are provided. Turn these down. I'm going to mount the 6AL on the driver's side on that inner fender It's going to be easy to access, and I'm going to mount it using the rubber bushings that have been provided by MSD to limit the amount of vibration. Alright, so to wire this up, I'm going to do the red wire to the ignition, so coming from the switch. We got the orange and black, which is going to go to my coil. And then the white and gray aren't used. Black is going to be grounded somewhere on this side. Red one's going to be run across, probably behind the ignition, behind the radiator support, and over to the starter solenoid. Thank you for tuning in today. Don't forget to like the video if you found it useful or helpful. And in the comments, let me know where you mounted your MSD 6AL and how it's worked out for you.